You know, I'm trying my best. Well, I was gonna get that. What that at? CCP, Walter CCP. That's what it was. I won't get that one, but I'm gonna get on my collection, y'all. My revolver collection. So yeah, I'm gonna get that bad bitch. You did. Then I'm gonna cop and get this other bad motherfucker. I gotta get my Rock Island revolver too. So I've been checking out this bad boy too. So yeah, we finna get this baby popping. Yeah, collection finna be a fool. So yeah, everybody, stay tuned. Please stay tuned. Oh, we popping my way. You did. I'm trending. You did. I am the trend. You did. So what I pop is just what I pop. You did. So yeah, everybody, be yourself and drop this shit. I ain't playing no game. So yeah, everybody, pop out. I ain't playing no game. Do you hear me? Do you hear me, y'all? We got a new one coming to the channel. I want everybody to show love for a Taurus 605, 357, and 38 special, y'all. We ain't playing no games, y'all. See, I was gonna wait and shit and wait and see, pick and choose, many, mighty, mo. I'm like, man, it's like everybody say, they say that got, hey, that goddamn 605 is nice. Let me tell you what. See? You don't, boy, I say y'all, how many people voted for that? I think Rob will win, y'all. Tories win. That's all I gotta say. That's how we busting, y'all. Try to tell y'all. I told y'all I was gonna get some. Y'all thought I was bullshit. I know you lying. I know you lying. You better stop that bullshit line. I told y'all I'm gonna stay popping. I'm gonna keep this shit rocking. This channel, the other channel, and the other channel. It's all me. You already know YouTube gonna try to hate and not put you in the algorithm. Y'all can tell when your channel doing something, you get thumbs up, but you don't get no view like somebody watching. They lying. YouTube be hating. They be hating. I don't care. I keep dropping. Cause y'all see some of my videos, I got like 3, 4 thumbs up already, but no views. They be trying to hate. They hate, but it's all good. Just keep dropping my shit my way, and then she gonna go right back up. Yeah, they tried to hate on me. My shit was at 3, 5, well, 25 and 5K, y'all. I got a live on it. Man, say, y'all see where I'm at now? I think I'm at what? 20 and 3K. I ain't talking about this channel. I'm talking about Cooking with Love channel. My bad. This Dallas, Texas channel. Oops. Oops. But the other channel, y'all, we had 20K. 20 and 3K. So, that channel doing good. My other channel got what? Like 100 subscribers. Probably like 140. You know what I'm saying? So, hey, we looking good. No cap. And they all separate people, so it ain't like they all connected to the same channel. I just barely start posting all my other channels together. And if it was like that shit, all of my channels be at what? 20K, so whatever, let's get it going. That's how we rocking, y'all. Booyah. And I can go live on all of them. Yeah. You did. I'm trying to tell y'all, man, BSL pop out. No cap. So we got this shit popping, y'all. I'm telling them to get this channel back rockin', jockin', rollin' it, baby. Now shaking that baby. So yeah, y'all. We got it going down, y'all. Big 605. Busting these boys here. So yeah, everybody. Get ready, y'all. I don't know what these people talking about. Shit, this bitch might be your private work. They don't play. I don't know what it is, but in D-Town, when you order something, man, that bitch don't take them about 3 days. 3 days. I had to jump on that bitch now, that bitch gonna be here. You dig? Yeah, so y'all get ready, man. We from bust these boys' head open. You know what I'm talking about? From Dallas, Texas. You know what I'm talking about? Cooking with more. From Cooking with Love and more. And you know what I'm talking about? Guns and music and more. Bam!